Hi, I'm Todd, and I couldn't be happier that you're here watching this video. It means it happened. You finally realized you're stuck and you want to break free. It doesn't matter how long it's taken you. It took me more years and jobs than I'd care to admit to understand that I was stuck. I was stuck in a false sense of success in countless jobs. I worked at Trader Joe's, I owned a furniture store, I owned video stores, and it happened to me in every single one. Tell me if this doesn't ring true with you. You've been going along fine in your job, you've been pleasing the right kind of people, you're pocketing an okay amount of money, you'd allow yourself to get comfortable. And if someone asked you, you'd probably say with confidence that, sure, I'm doing okay. You might not be a millionaire, but you're putting food on the table and you're giving your family a good enough life, and you'd be just fine for a while. Even years, until something came along that pulled the rug clean from beneath your feet with no warning. It's like a huge smack in the face that brings you back to earth and makes you realize you're not ever going to win if you carry on like this. Maybe you've been at the company for the longest, you work the hardest and you know the most, yet when promotion time comes around, the new hot shot gets the promotion that you were expecting. You've worked at that place what seems like before they were even born, yet there they are with the shiny new title that should have been yours. In management, they just give you that sympathetic cock of the head and say something like, well, maybe next time. It's like you're a kid at the fair that's just been told you can't go on the roller coaster. And we all know there's not going to be a next time. You're not ever going to be allowed to go on the roller coaster, at least not anytime soon. Or maybe you've run your own business and you've taken the steps and you have a brick and mortar company. And that by default makes you feel like you're successful. You're your own boss. It must be great, right? And that's until you realize you're slowly becoming an employee of your own company. You work long hours, longer than you ever did as an employee, with more stress on your shoulder that even Godzilla would have a hard time keeping upright. But you battle on, and then a recession comes, or a change in fashion that means no one's interested in your business anymore. No one cares about all the time and money and passion that you poured into your business. You just become old news again. And I'm talking about this because both have happened to me. I've never been afraid of hard work, and I'm not in the business of people who are. I've always known there must be something somewhere out there that delivers on all my dreams, where I can run a successful business without it starting to run my life. I've waded through a whole ton of missold opportunities, failed ventures, broken promises, and I finally came out the other side thanks to what I'm about to share with you today. And the good news is that you are already unstuck. You've done the hardest part. Now you just need something to run to that'll make your ambitions and dreams come true. This is it, my friend. This is it. It's like somebody kept all the best bits about business and cut out all the bad and said, here you go, run with it. With this, nothing can turn around and slap you in the face. You're in control. You're not going to become an employee in your own business. Why? Because you can do this just for an hour a day if you want. You don't have to move from your house. It'll never go out of fashion because it's so versatile. Now is not the time to go back to being stuck. Now is the time to move forward. Build on the progress you made and finally get the success you worked so hard for. So click the button below and find out everything now.